Hey man, step over here real quick. Hey, hold on. Hey! Do not keep up pursuit. Do not take shots fired. Shots fired! Do not take shots fired. One down. Let me see your hands! He's got a gun! Don't drop the gun! Put the gun down! Do it now! Put the gun down! Put it down, sir!
On a quiet early morning in Roswell, New Mexico, police confront a man linked to a stolen vehicle. What begins as a routine check quickly spirals into deadly chaos. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage.
He had a gun. Get on the fuck. Don't you fucking move. Bitch. 219 Roswell. One outstanding female.
Even after being shot, the suspect refuses to drop the weapon. That last moment, it's hard to watch. The weight of those final seconds hangs heavy. No one walks away from this the same.
Hey, check me real quick. Check me.
Location only, -29s. Running that by VN, return 2001 Nissan Altima in color, stolen out of Greenville.
Shots fired! Dispatch, shots fired! Shots fired!
10-4, we got 600 units.
Dispatch, I'm shot! I can't get up, I'm shot!
Get in the next unit now.
Let's get something, put some on this. I can't move, man, I was shot.
On January 9th, 2023 in Livonia, Georgia, a routine traffic stop took a violent turn when officers confronted a suspect wanted in a stolen vehicle report.
Got a man unit en route.
I'm gonna bleed out, man, come on. I'm gonna bleed out. Oh, no, just EMS. Oh.
Dispatch 213. Which unit's gonna be injured?
204.
And 213. That's 10-4.
I'm shot in my side, man. You gotta get some pressure on me, man.
Here, his partner tries to calm him, but listen closely. It's not just for tactical reassurance, it's emotional. It's two colleagues, maybe even friends, trying to keep each other alive under fire. The tension is real. The bond is too.
Okay, that took a long time. So here's your car back. You're suspended. Okay, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm letting you drive off.
January 18th, 2024. Interstate 40, Canadian County, Oklahoma. A routine traffic stop turns nearly fatal when Trooper Jesse Gregory is struck by an SUV during the encounter.
362 City, I was just hit by a car.
Officer,
to scan me.
He's out here.
On August 2022 in Thomasville, Georgia, Thomas County drug agents attempted to serve a warrant. Moments later, a confrontation ended in the fatal shooting of Herbert Gilbert.
Now, stay back. Stay back. Hey, Thomas, EMS now. 419 Magnolia. Hey, Thomas, need PD in right as well. Got one shot. I saw it. What do you think I did?
Emotions erupt as neighbors and family flood the scene. There's shouting, panic, and confusion. The officers are trying to maintain control, but the tension is overwhelming. It's clear the community is deeply shaken.
Ma'am? They need to go. He almost hit Keith and he almost hit Josh.
At the scene of security and where the subject was shot.
So, come on, they're good to go. Come on in. Y'all got to get out of the way so the ambulance can come.
Children are caught in the middle of a police operation gone deadly. You hear officers trying to comfort and direct them. The emotional weight is undeniable. This is trauma unfolding in real time. On May 8th in Pasadena, California, a routine traffic stop turned deadly when a pursuit ended in a violent shootout. The following footage contains real audio and scenes from the officer's body cam. Right here, you catch a raw glimpse of shock giving way to instinct. One officer quietly says training kicked in, and it tells you everything. It's not just about reaction, it's survival seared into the muscle memory.
Yeah.
Who's the shot officer in the leg? Do you know?
No, I don't think anyone got hit.
Where were your head? Was
That was where I jumped out and he pulled his gun on out of the windshield and I fucking fired rounds.
Come this way. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Good?
Yeah.
Let's hang over here, bud.
My check wasn't up. I couldn't get.
It's okay. But you're okay? Let me just check you out real quick. Okay? I'm gonna check you out, man. I want to make sure you're not hurt. Just want to make sure you're not hurt. Buddy? Yeah, you look good, man. You look good. Put it on. Go ahead. Put it back on. Woo! All right.
Should we go check down or stay up?
Oh, what's up? Shit, yeah, I'm gonna stay up right now.
That split-second moment where an officer realizes one of their own is down, it's heavy. There's confusion, then the weight of the situation sets in. This part hits emotionally, even through the few words spoken.
Yeah, have a seat, right? You're okay. You okay?
I'm good.
Okay. You all right?
I'm good, dude.
Okay, there's blood on you. Whose blood is that? Oh, yes. You guys contacted him?
No, we didn't touch him.
We didn't touch him.
The glass, maybe.
Trying to make sure you're not cut or anything like that. Which?
On the evening of April 9th, 2015, a high-speed chase across Boise, Idaho ended in a dramatic crash and a foot pursuit captured on Idaho State Police dashcam footage.
Running on the west downlane of the traffic.
Next up, I'm going to have you do is called a one-leg stand. Alright? You can choose whatever leg you prefer. It's pretty easy. What I want you to do is I want you to keep your hands relaxed down to your side. Lift either foot up, at least 6 inches off the ground, whichever you prefer. Alright? I want you to spare your toe and chant out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Until I tell you to stop. Can you do that, Ted? Alright. Whenever you're ready.
On July 25th in Layton, Utah, a woman who had just been rear-ended was stopped and tested for DUI. What followed sparked serious allegations against the arresting officer.
Nope. All right, stop right here. Go ahead, widen your stance for me. Keep your feet up. Do you have anything illegal on you? Stay there for a minute. Stay there. Okay. Michael, stay there. Okay, they're here.
I was trying to make things lighter.
Okay. No, you're not, all right? And your balance is really poor.
Because I'm in shock, I'm
You have
shaking.
some other physical characteristics which are indicative of a controlled substance
Can I
use.
ask what that is?
Yes, your eyes. Your eyes are in the way.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't touch
Okay,
me.
I can search you, and that's what I'm doing.
Even as Amanda complies, the officer moves directly to arrest her. You can hear the confusion and fear rising in her voice. And it's here many viewers start to question the decision-making on scene.